This is the part 3 video. This is what the top looks like after the scrubbing and the upholstery cleaning attachment with the simple green. Still a little line right there, but I think that's good enough for the dye to do its thing. I just wet my other car. Damn it. We're gonna put it on shower and we're gonna rinse off all the degreaser. From the top. It's gonna be I guess a 4-part video, because I'll do a separate video for when I do the Renovo reviver, convertible top reviver. But pretty much I'm just gonna do this until I don't see any more bubbles. Might as well wet the whole car and then do a whole wash. Car's extremely clean. I just got degreaser and bubbles and stuff like that all over it. So I'm just gonna keep on doing this on this video, and I think this would have been part 2 or 3. I can't remember what I said anymore, but see, those are the grease spots that I was concerned about, and I think that's gonna be good enough for the dye. But pretty much I'm just gonna keep doing this. I'm not gonna bore you guys with what I'm doing. Rinsing it off, and that's it. Stay tuned for the next one.